So what is the curiosity gap? The curiosity gap is a space between what we know and what we want to know, or even what we need to know. By creating this curiosity gap, you're teasing people into looking inside and what the actual offering is. They are curious about seeing what you have to offer, and they're curious enough to essentially even pay for it. The curiosity gap is used everywhere. You can see it on Facebook when people are posting blog posts and sort of catchy headlines, even clickbaited headlines. You can see it in your email inbox with people who are crafting their headlines to essentially motivate you to open the email so that you can learn more about you and obviously offer you a product or a service or sell you something. It's all about marketing smartly. Studies have shown that curiosity can enhance the likelihood that someone is going to click on a particular button or a blog post or whatever by 927%. You'll see headlines, especially in the current day, being literally almost irresistible to click, and these have been perfectly crafted around provoking curiosity, simply so they'll get us to click so we can learn more about the story, even though a lot of the headlines are quite clickbaity and not although entirely true. But you don't always have to use fishy tactics and such to, generate fake news to get people's attention. But you do need to tease just enough with the article to not only tempt them to click through, but also to get enough information to decide whether the article is going to be worth their interest and worth their while. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.